Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to boost volume on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, unlock your Samsung phone and head straight into the Settings application. The Settings menu is where you can control and customize all aspects of your device, including sound, display, connectivity, and more. Step 2. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and locate the Sounds and Vibration option. Tap on it to open it. Here, you can set the sound mode to either sound, vibrate, or mute. Make sure your phone is in sound mode to get the full volume effect. Step 3. Next, go to the Volume menu. Here you'll see sliders for different audio categories like media, ringtones, notifications, and system. Focus on the media slider and drag it to the maximum. Then, tap on the 3 dots menu in the corner and select Media Volume Limit. Make sure this option is turned off so your volume isn't restricted. Step 4. Go back to the previous screen and scroll to Sound Quality and Effects. In this menu, ensure that all sound effects are disabled if you want pure volume control. If your device shows an equalizer, you can tweak it according to your preference. Don't worry if you don't find it. It's optional. Step 5. Finally, if you want extra volume boosting, you can use a trusted third-party app. Go back to Settings, open the Play Store, type Volume Booster, search for a reliable app, and install it. After installation, you can easily adjust and boost your media volume beyond the default limits safely. By following these steps, you can significantly increase the sound output on your Samsung phone and enjoy music, videos, and calls at a higher volume. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.